Dude, Kish said from the start, like, yo, Akash about to be like on some other shit. I am on some other shit right now.
Yeah. Keeps giving.
You gotta turn this shit off for a minute.
Back to the place and got super fucked up. So the goal of today was to explore Kyoto, which we're still gonna do. So normally on a trip like this, you kind of want to get up earlier and maximize. It's also not the end of the world. So I'm up trying to get some breakfast, and Kyoto in the morning is definitely pretty live. I mean, look at this. Okay, I don't know how live this actually makes it. I'm here, I'm trying to get some breakfast, and I'm also trying to get some food that's not just 7-Eleven, because Type kind of got that. It's right there. We've been Type just eating like the Family Mart and the convenience store stuff this whole time, which is definitely cool, but I think I'm trying to get something a little bit different, so see what we find. The other battle is the fact that all the fast food here is different too, and y'all know me. I like my fast food. I like to eat fast food in America, even if it's the same. So if you're taking me to Japan and it's different, and we got soy sauce and everything, I'm gonna be tempted. But hey, I'm trying to find like something kind of cool. Besides just being a fat ass and trying to find breakfast, the plan for today is to hit this shrine, this crazy shrine with all the orange posts. You've probably seen it if you've seen any fucking reel on Japan. That's the plan. And then going out later tonight in Osaka to an all-you-can-drink cafe. So I think I also just, oh no, they're closed. I thought I just found a place. I think I found it. Are you guys open? Are you guys open? Okay. Can I get one of these and then one of this?
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, please. Just got me some donuts. So before I head back, I think I'm also gonna hit a convenience store. Gonna check out one that's not 7-Eleven to get some drinks, some energy drinks, stuff like that. We gotta get started. We gotta get going. But hey, that little shop was pretty neat. It's kind of crazy how small it was, but it was cool, and I'm sure this shit is gonna be absolutely fire. So. Alright, I just got an energy drink. I've never seen these snacks before. I'm sure it's pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna head back now, see what the status is on the boys. You feeling Rajan?
I'm feeling pretty good, man. Like,
dude, these are the donuts I got, man. This shit's about to power me up. Yeah. I'm about to munch, dude. Yeah, our place is a bit of a mess, but now everyone else has popped out, and me and Rajan are about to go meet up with everyone. Look, we even got a rock garden over here, bro. We are out here, but it's time to finally get stuff going. Connor, can you read better in here? Because of your dyslexia. Now that we're in this bookstore. It says they have K-pop upstairs. Dude, one of these things in fucking America will run you like $10. Dude, nah, alright, this is kind of cold. That goes fucking hard. That's kind of hard. Yo! Hey, yo! We was trying to get a picture of this guy. I don't even know who that is. Alright, Connor's going to play this where you get a random card out of all of these, and if this hits Connor, we could extend days of the trip. We don't even have to work no more. Let's see it. What did it shoot out? Multiple?
Yeah, it's like 4.
What the fuck? It's just a random pack. Hey, you got it. Well, see you at work on Monday. Nah, we're good. Connor and I were walking to go meet up with them while they were eating, and then we just stumbled upon this. It's our temple. It's also called Toji Temple, but it's our temple. Nah, we just popped out to the casino, bro. The Japanese casino. How much we about to win, dog? How much we about to win?
500 yen.
500 yen? You about to win $3? What the fuck? Hello? Oh. Dog, what the fuck? How? Dog, how does this shit exist? What in the world? We losing a fuck ton of money right now. All the boys though are bet. Yo, did he win? He won! I don't know how much he just won. But we ain't gotta work no more. I have no idea how these games work. We got like these tokens. And then you come and you put it up here. I don't know how much you need per. Then you come over here, you hit like max bet. I have no idea. Bet. Max bet. Spin this thing. And then pray. Oh, you also get to stop it on your own, which is kind of tough. Like, I just didn't win shit, but it's all good. Connor, how much did you win?
No, I didn't win any. But the thing is, it's like when you win, it just gave it to you back in credit on the machine.
I lost the house, guys.
He lost his house, his job, his wife.
It's a whole process. I count my coins, then I went to the counter and got a card. And they like let me outside the parking lot. I thought they were gonna like stab me. And then I just put my card in a hole, and a man took it. But gave me $200.
Yeah. Look at this shit. This shit is fresh. Oh my god. Nah, no. But don't these shit look live? Like this shit look like you're about to start moving. Bro. Oh nah, they dead. This is that real Wagyu, bro. Look at it, bro.
Wagyu is 1,200, bro. That cow probably had like testicular cancer or some shit.
Yo, what the fuck? What did he do to you? This is literally that scene in every single anime. Look at it. Dude, even Joe is like taking it in, dude. Like you can see them, bro. That's where Ichigo got his fucking shit, bro. Literally right there. Look, there he is. He's right fucking there too. Everyone just took a picture of this guy's mystery shack. After our grand trek, almost finally made it. Holy shit. Dude, Akash, doesn't this remind you of like NJIT and shit?
This reminds me of India, bro. Temple.
This reminds you of India? Where's the cows? Where's all the fucking loose cows over there when we went to India? Nah, but the temple was sick. Alright.
Dude, we should have got the kimonos, bro.
Dude, you would have come dripped out in a kimono?
Yeah, I feel like
If all of us did it.
I put that shit on.
I'll put that light pink on the map, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, I would want one black one.
Who you taking to the shrine? You about to rent one? You about to find a stranger and be like, yo, can I rent you for a couple of hours?
Bro, I'm trying to get that kimono pack.
You trying to get a kimono?
Get a kimono, bro.
Dog, you're gonna have to pay for her kimono, pay for her time, and then you're gonna have to walk up all this. Like, dog, I don't think you built for that.
No, I'm not built for anything right now, bro. I've been trying to turn around.
I'm gonna rent a girlfriend so she can carry me up.
Yeah. Dude. We bitched out again to the top of the mountain. The other boys did. I don't know if they're gonna check in with you guys, but our fat asses are about to eat all this shit we saw.
Eat and drink because climbing mountains was like a yesterday problem for me. Unfortunately, I was too poor to get the bus down the mountain, so I walked that shit.
But not. Hey, while they're out there exercising and shit, we about to get this Wagyus.
Just getting some protein in.
Dude, everyone is out there getting their own shit, but this shit looks pretty good. I think, yo, you got that Wagyu? Yeah, let me see it. Oh, what is it? Dude, everyone's just coming to me. What you got? What you got? Holy.
Strawberry and then daikon mochi. And this is a strawberry smoothie.
Holy shit. Just try that shit.
That's so good.
that's where Connor and them are, but we're out here about to enjoy our meal. The boys are coming up on this rooftop. I got a burger coming up. He got something that'll just look crazy, but nah, we are about to feast while them boys are working though. Yo, so it's obviously been a really long time since my last clip. I think we've all come and winded down a bit at the B&B because we're about to have to train to a different city to go out in the club. Essentially, Kyoto is like the cultural hub of Japan, and we're about to go to Osaka, which is kind of like a mini city. It's obviously not Tokyo, and we're going to all-you-can-drink pub, so I'm going to be switching out to my phone because I'm definitely not going to bring out this camera, but we're going to do that in a couple hours, so some people are getting food, some people are chilling at the place. I think ideally everyone wanted to be out doing shit the whole time and not really having too much chill time, but I think with us drinking last night, and also the night we have ahead of us, everyone wants to just make sure they're ready because we might not be getting back in until like 4 or 5 a.m. Alright, vlog, we're about to go out to the club. Everyone got it on right now, bro. Jofini got the Red Dead 2 fit. Akash got the Red Dead 2 fit. Connor, it literally looks like Arthur fucking Morgan. And then Rajan is balling out, bro.
Dude, you got the scarf too, bro?
Yeah, me and Arjun, we're not sure if we're gonna get in.
I'm going to the grocery store.
Yeah.
Yo, but weren't those signed by Travis Scott himself?
Yeah, Travis Scott himself. Dude, Akash, what kind of bombs are we getting?
Yeah, Aaron Yeager bombs.
Dude, you look like you already got Aaron Yeager's bomb. Dude.
What are you gonna do when we get to Osaka?
Dude, why am I being like double like interviewed? I feel like I'm like on the press.
Everyone
right
knows,
now.
bro.
Like, the press is on me right now.
You're the demon, bro. He's 100% getting thrown out of the club tonight.
We're gonna have a good night. We're gonna drink. Then we got like $25 we paid down. We're gonna have a good night. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time with the boys. That's all it's gonna be. Nothing.
You heard it here, bro. A good time until you pass out. How's your club experience?
It's good, bro.
I don't know if you can see us right now. Akash might be the most down bad person in our life, bro. He's just fun. Dude, what's wrong with sitting on the fucking steps?
This is where the night begins.
This is where the night begins, dog. You can't talk straight.
But the minute we're in the U.S., Kish was like, Juice WRLD, dude, Kish said from the start, like, yo, Akash about to be like on some other shit. I am on some other shit right now.
Yeah.
This is
That shit not going in the vlog.
I am
Personal archive.
I am Kish's worst nightmare right now.
Nah, you are my content diamond. You're the cow that keeps giving.
You gotta turn this shit off for a minute.
Alright, so Rajan didn't get into this one club, right? So Arjun stayed out with him, and we were inside this club, all 5 of us, but my feet is hurting, my legs are hurting. And that issue I was talking about from yesterday is definitely acting up. So I'm about to go link with them, see what we can get up to. But this area is absolutely sick. Dude, what the fuck? Man, we out here, we're still clubbing, but we have a crazy journey home. All the trains have stopped. I don't know how we're gonna get home, but honestly, this is probably the end of day 2 right here, or day 3. Man, fuck. Fun night though. I think this is our most discombobulated vlog by far. But day 3 is an end. Day 4 hopefully makes a little bit more sense.